Hello students, this is Beulah. I am your science teacher. We are in Putijo school. We are going to learn about living and non-living things. Based on special features, things are divided into two types. They are living and non-living things. Some of the things around us are called living things and some are called non-living things. Next, human beings, trees, plants, birds, animals, and insects are all called living things because they have life in them. Name some animals you know. Yes, cow, goat, sheep. Next, tell me children, name some birds you know. Crow, eagle. Next, name some insects you know. Cockroach, okay, good. What they do? They move, eat, breathe, grow and produce young ones. And living things can also feel emotions like anger, fear, sad, happiness, etc. Children, now I am going to ask some questions. You have to tell me. Does a plant grow? Yes. Can a dog breathe? Yes. Can a fish move? Yes. Where does fish move? Fish swim in water. Okay, good. Does a hen give young ones or babies? Yes. Come on, tell me. Can an ant need food? Yes. Have you ever seen of your hair growing? Yes. Okay. Have you understood about living things, children? Coming to the next point, non-living things. Some other things like the chair, table, ball, hat, jug, phone, umbrella and television are called non-living things because they do not have life in them. They cannot grow, move, breathe and produce young ones. They can't eat food, drink water. Okay children, now I am going to ask some spellings. You have to tell me. Ball. What is the spelling of ball? Okay, good. B-A-L-L. Next, hat. H-A-T. Table. T-A-B-L-E. A-B-L-E. Okay, good. Does a non-living things like ball, TV, table, bat, phone, which you see in your home grow? No. Okay, good. Tell me, have you ever seen a table eating? No. Okay, good. Can a phone breathe? No. Have you ever seen of TV moving? Can a ball need food, water and air? No. Okay. Are you a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, you are a living thing. Now I am going to tell some words and you have to tell me whether it's a living thing or a non-living thing. Duck, living thing. Bus, non-living thing. Honeybee, okay, good, living thing. Dog, living thing. Children, now once again I will repeat definition of living things. They move, eat, breathe, grow and produce young ones. And living things can also feel emotions like anger, fear, sad, happiness, etc. When do you feel fear? Come on, tell me, children. When you have not done homework. Okay, good. When do you feel happy? Okay, good. You can get good marks. Next, I will repeat definition of non-living things. Non-living things does not grow, move, breathe and produce young ones. They does not eat food, drink water.